Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. We are doing a series of DIY games and this is part 3. And today we focus on roll and color. To set this activity up, I drew a bunch of pictures on a piece of paper. For example, I drew some cars for my son and balloons for my daughter. Then they roll the dice and color that number of pictures in the designated color. For example, if the dice lands on number 2, you color 2 cars or 2 balloons with blue. This tabletop activity is on repeat at our house. It is our go-to because it requires exactly what you have on hand. It takes only 2 to 3 minutes to set this activity up, and it strengthens at least 7 different early childhood skills simultaneously. If you roll out this activity, your kids will be working on fine motor skills, number recognition, color recognition, counting skills, sharing, ability to follow simple directions, and cooperative play skills, just to name a few. Coloring with boundaries is a great exercise for finger muscles. To make it a little more interesting, for the next worksheets for roll and color, I added some letters as well as simple shapes. All they had to do for this activity was roll the dice, check the shape or the alphabet which had that number, and color it according to the color on the number. I have added alphabets which my son easily gets confused with, but there could be lot of variations that could have been done with these activities. You could add any simple alphabets or even add sight words as well. If your kids are in the age and have the temperament for self-play and to play with each other, you can just set this up for them, while also you could get some of your work done. This is a great idea for reinforcing letter recognition and shape recognition. It also promotes critical thinking. This activity is so easy to set up, it's engaging and hands-on. A lot of learning is taking place and we spent almost 2 hours with these worksheets. Coloring in pictures and drawings may seem like a simple task, but there are so many learning benefits for kids to engage in the act of coloring in. These activities provide an opportunity for kids not only to color in but also get excited about it. It provides kids with a purpose to achieve an outcome. Coloring also helps our kids to learn the skills of patience. It allows kids to be relaxed and comfortable while creating a piece of art. I love this simple activity because it incorporates so many concepts, and the bonus point is keeps my kids away from screen time. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Have a great day. Stay safe and keep smiling.